now move on to the next event, the Teacher Award Ceremony. The Education Prize was launched by TGELF in 2012 to recognize innovative teaching practices adopted in classrooms. The focus of the Education Prize competition this year is engaging classrooms to help TGELF identify those educators who are able to enthuse and excite students on their path of self-learning and discovery, as well as to empower them with the tools to become critical and analytical learners. This year, we have had an overwhelming response from both our member and non-member participants from India and overseas. The rigorous selection process comprised 3 rounds of judging by eminent jury members from around the world. The 23 shortlisted finalists are with us here today, and please join us in welcoming them with a round of applause.
Thank you, Devika. And now we come on to the interesting part of the evening. I would like to share with you all the judges who made up the final panel for us. We had Professor William Godelli from Teachers College at Columbia University, Professor Kenneth Wong from the Department of Education in Brown University, Mrs. Wendy Palmley, who is the founder patron of the Transatlantic Institution for Education, Mrs. Sukmani Kanwar, who's professor from Delhi University, and Professor Namrata Ranganathan, who's a professor at the Central Institute of Education in Delhi University, and also a mentor and guide to us on our program. So we begin with our first category, the Education Prize 2016, Engaging Classrooms, the Urban Indian School Primary category. We had 6 finalists. We had Ambika from the Kalmadi High School in Pune. We had Anupama Chopra from the Tribune Model School, Chandigarh. Then we had Kuntal Harish from the Euro School from Navi Mumbai. Then we had Meena from the Delhi Public School, Sector 45, Gurgaon. And then we have Nandini from Padma Sheshadri Bal Bhavan School in Chennai. And we have Rekha Shah from the Poddar World School of Vadodara. I would like to call up Mr. Krishna Kishore to come up and discover who is the winner of this particular category.
The winner is Miss Anupama Chopra, Tribune Model School, Chandigarh.
I enjoy teaching and love to be with the little students of kindergarten. From the last 29 years, I have been learning with my kids and enthusiastically participating with them in each and every activity. I had been a part of type program in which I inspired the students of different schools in Chandigarh to read newspaper daily. Back in school, I want my kids to become global citizens, as end of education is character.
What does a child need on the first day at school? A very special day, a very special person. A child is looking for a mother the moment he enters school on the first day of his life. Mrs. Anupama Chopra fits the bill, for she is a very special teacher and she stands there to receive the children. She smiles at them, she's warm, she's loving and she's caring.
TGELF has helped me to become a part of global education and fulfill my dream, Clean India, Green India.
Good evening, everyone. I'm so happy and elated to be a winner in the Urban Indian Primary School category. I owe my thanks to the jury members for having so much faith in me. I'm privileged with, it's my privilege to be associated with the TGELF, who inspires and nurtures people. I thank God for all the small and big things He has bestowed on me. I'm honored to stand here before you all young leaders, determined to rise. I consider myself fortunate that I'm working in one of the prestigious institutions, that is Tribune Model School, where I'm working from the last 29 years. This could never ever happen without the without the cooperative and the supportive, no words, my mentor, Mrs. Vandana Saxena. I'm really, really thankful to you from the core of my heart for all the guidance and motivation you have lent it to me. I thank the gathering here who have sent me the positive vibes and encouraged me to speak what I wanted to share with you. Thank you so much.
We now come to the next category, the Urban Indian School, the senior category. And here our finalists are Amita Mitra from the Shri Ram School, Aravali, Gurgaon, Bhavna Srivastav from Delhi Public School, Sector 45, Gauri Sen from the Tagore International School, New Delhi, and Maitreyi Bhattacharya also from the Tagore International School. Then we have Monica Sen Chaudhary from the Shri Ram School, Aravali, and Rekha Kapoor from the Tribhuvan School, Patna. And I would like to invite up Rani Sahiba Usha Rana to come up and declare the next winner.
Right. So the winner is Urban Indian School Senior Category, Mrs. Monica Sen Chaudhary, Shri Ram School.
Teaching has always been my passion. The first hints I got when I used to teach my batchmates and juniors in college and university days. Now, as a teacher, I witness the positive response and the proactive participation of my students during my teaching. It is a big experience to talk to them, read their minds, and to understand their thought process. It really helps me to evolve as a facilitator.
Monica ma'am is a really nice and genuine teacher who's very helpful to her students. Her classes are really interesting and she's a very experienced teacher, which makes it even better to understand her concepts.
Monica ma'am makes her classes very simple to understand. She draws analogies from fields that aren't exactly related to science, so it makes us easy to memorize the phenomenon, and also it becomes really easy to grasp and understand it.
Monica Sen Chaudhary, what should I say about her? Someone who's passionate, who loves what she does, loves her subject and loves the children. Very privileged to have her at her service.
The leadership modules of TGELF has really helped me to fine-tune the lesson plans and to communicate to my students the ideas and my thoughts to them. It has really enabled them to think out of the box and shape their thoughts and become aware.
Good evening, all of you. I'm really at the paucity of words how to express my happiness, or I don't know what to say. Thank you so much, TGELF, thank you so much for honoring me. And my journey as a teacher started in 2004. I was doing my research in cervical cancer, and I could make out that 21st century would be progressing rapidly in science and technology. I realized that capturing young minds at the school level is very necessary, and to teach them, train them, and excite them with science and its related opportunities. Hence, I took to teaching in school as a challenge. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to my school, the Sri Ram School, Aravali, for giving me the platform to achieve my aspirations and to fulfill my dreams. I have been always encouraged by mentors in the organization. I have learned not only to teach students the subjects, but to become an educator. Thank you, Monica ma'am, Sudha ma'am, for everything. Just want to say one thing. Today, after attending all the sessions, I am going back with a realization that the journey is not just 10 or 12 years of my teaching experience, but it has just begun, where I can really do so much for my students, for my country, maybe in small steps, but definitely it will sum up in something big. Thank you. Thank you so much for everything.
Next category is the rural, the government school category. I here would like to mention that we have introduced this category today because we realize the different exposures that teachers in the different areas have, and the whole objective of the education prize is to incentivize and not to discourage. So, but in the primary category, we had two finalists. We had Dhanaswati Tejani from the Lakshmi Nagar Mumbai Public School from Mumbai, and we had Suma from the Atul Vidyalaya Valsad in Gujarat. And I would like to request is Matthew Johnson of Brown University to help us out, please.
And the winner is Ms. Dhanasvi Tajani.
She tries to connect with us and share her discoveries with us, and we really look forward for her inputs every time. I only realized that I wanted to be a teacher 4 years ago when I started volunteering for one of the schools at the Akanksha Foundation. And I think that was the time I started realizing or believing that education is the only way to a better tomorrow and a better world.
Means the passion for teaching and love for being with the children has drawn her to the field of education today. Deep sense of sincerity and commitment towards her work pushes her to achieve excellent standards.
Why do I love teaching? I think it's the children. The smiles, the hugs that you get every day, and those bright moments in the classroom, the challenges. I think it's very exciting.
Mr. Didi planned such games for us, and so videos in English. We like to see the videos, and we do English subject with Dhanasvi.
I want them to be able to make choices, to be able to have the freedom to choose and to make the correct choices when they grow up.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you, TIGEF, for honoring me with this prestigious award. And so I never imagined I would be a teacher when I was young. I am an engineer, and I only started teaching, I started volunteering with the Akanksha Foundation 4 years ago. And that is when I realized that I wanted to do this, and I was passionate about this. And so whatever I have learned, it is Akanksha Foundation and my school leader Prachi, and I think I would give credit to the children. I think they allow me to experiment in class and encourage me to do a lot more and motivate me every single day. So, thank you.
The next category is the Rural Government School Senior category. We did have 8 finalists here, but the panel of judges did not declare a winner, and instead they have given us 3 special mentions, and that will be Chitra Iyer, Poonam Anand, and Sarupam Mali. Could I please request Mr. Dave Shepherd to come up and give away these prizes? They did not feel that they could actually pick a winner on the parameters that we had set across the board. But there were 3 of them. For example, Chitra, they liked the innovative practices that she thought about. Poonam, for being an excellent mentor guide. And for the last one, it was because of the innovation and focus on environment. So they were efforts that were commendable, but did not make the bar as per the other categories. That's the reason. So could we please ask them to come up? Is Chitra here? Poonam and Satrupam? Please give them a really loud round of applause. They actually teach with so many challenges in front of them, but yet they're enthusiastic and want to make a difference in the lives of the children in their school. Thank you so much. Thank you. We also have a category for overseas schools. And as a special mention, I call up Ayesha Parveen from Dhaka in Bangladesh, from the Scholastica School. She could join us only at the last minute, and so we are grateful that she's been able to come over here. And this is being a special prize. We would like Mr. Shiv Khemka to come and give this away.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, I'm thankful to Almighty God for the opportunity to come to this platform. I'm thankful to TGALF and the jury board for the kind recognition of my work. It's of course a great inspiration in the journey to make leaders, to bring about positive change in the planet. And I'm thankful to my family, to my institute, Scholastica, my students. They always are with me. The reward, I must say, the reward that I have achieved, it's their achievement as well. And the workshops held today will be in my memory as an ever-burning fuel. I'm confident I can inspire my students to encounter different types of challenges while they will be implementing their knowledge as leaders. And my dream is my students will serve the community, and their community will not be confined in their country or in their continent, but they will have a target to spread all around the world. Again, I'm really thankful to all concerned for the kind listening to my speech. Thank you so much.
We have a very special prize to announce now. We have started our TGELF program among the model and other schools in Rajasthan, in remote areas. And we would like to specially recognize a principal who has implemented this program with such passion in his school that we have learnt strategies from him, which we are now including in our program when we share it with other schools. So I would like to call up Mr. Deep Chand from Swami Vivekananda Government Model School from Ryodar in Sirohi, Rajasthan. I'd also like to call upon Mr. Wahidur Rahman, present here with us.
A very good evening to one and all. First of all, I'd like to thank Swami Vivekananda Government Model Schools Organization in Rajasthan, who provided me the platform to work. There was a program on leadership conducted by TGELF in Jaipur. There they asked all the principals, what's your dream, what's your vision? Then I wrote that I wish to see my students as an instrument of social change. Today, when I see Citizens for Change, I really love it. And one more word I really love today, global citizens. So I thank from the bottom of my heart the TGELF that you're working to generate global citizens. Thank you very much.
This is one final category that we have, which is also very special to us. We work extensively in the Nabha Patiala region in Punjab, which is very close to the Khemka family as well. We organized a training program from the Roehampton University through our partners of an NGO called STIR as a training program for these teachers. And 3 of them were declared, actually there were 5, but we have 3 present here, were declared as outstanding. And Roehampton University has specially sent certificates to commend them as among the best teachers they trained from across the planet, across the world during this course. So I would like to recognize these teachers in front of such an audience to incentivize them and show them that, they can compete with the best in the world and still come out the best. And I'd request Mr. Julian Drinkle to please come up and give away these prizes. All right, it gives me great pleasure to call up Amarjeet Kaur from the Government Multipurpose Senior Secondary School, Patiala. Irwan Deep Kaur, Government Multipurpose Senior School, Patiala. And Karamjeet Kaur from Government Multipurpose Senior School, also from Patiala. I'd like to call upon stage and thank the wonderful team at TGELF, without whom none of this would have been possible. So, Dinu Raheja, who is harassed by me constantly, by the way. Kavita Punjala. Oh, one after the other. Maya Puri, Ashpreet, Cheryl, Khyati, Yashika, Rahul, Sachin, Sana, and not to forget our Santosh. I hope he's here. Santosh, please come. He's the invisible, visible man in our office. And I'd like to personally, on behalf of myself and I know of Shiv and Urvashi, thank you people for the amazing job you do, despite the fact that I forget and you have to constantly remind me of things. I ring you all up hundreds of times. I ring you all up at 10 p.m. at night, but you come back smiling the next day. So thank you so much. They have to be joined by some very important young people, our 11 Leadership Development Program members. So is Jay here? Jay Tirotkar, Amisha Shara, Kshitij Sharan, Devika, Arnav, Ayush, Emma, Sophie, Alf, Kiran, Kshitij. Did I say it twice? See, I said it twice because I have a Bihar connection with Sachin and Bhavya. Some are missing because they're busy elsewhere. But this is our, where are you all? LDPs, come front. Come on. Now you can see, overnight we have grown. And T-Guelph has become more prosperous now. And hopefully we won't disappoint Shiv and deliver double. Thank you very much for being here. Today is a very special occasion because you have felicitated and clapped for teachers. And everybody talks about infrastructure of schools, student-centric curriculum, but they all forget that the glue agent are the teachers. So the future, if you want a bright future, it depends on the teachers.
T-Guelph, leading the change.